In this video, you will learn about all the interesting features of Bash and various applications starting from task automation, task scheduling, and software developing in the practical world. So let us start. Talking about the core features of Bash, the first one is SH compatible. For your information, all Bash scripts are SH compatible as Bash is originated from the original Unix-born shell, in short SH. Using this feature, programmers can import default SH shell features in Bash. Next, you have customizable key bindings. Using this feature, users can have their own key shortcuts to improve productivity and promote multitasking. Next, you have flow control and conditional execution. This feature enables conditional execution of commands using the conditional statements like if, then, else. Also, you can use loops to perform iteration and repetitive tasks. In the next section, I'll be talking about the directory stack. It is an important data structure which keeps track of recently visited directories. Users can use the pushd command to add directories in the stack, popd command to remove any specific directory from the stack, and dirs command to list the current directories. Also, there is a special feature that is restricted mode in Bash. User can use the rbash or bash restricted command to activate the restricted mode. This feature is usually used for security purposes. Next, we have the versatile invocation, which allows both the use of single character and multi-character options in our commands. Last but not the least, Bash allows one-dimensional arrays to store a list of objects or a collection of data. Now, I'll be talking about some of the additional features of Bash. Starting with the command line editing feature. This feature allows users to have efficient cursor movement, navigation, editing and searching command history through set of keyboard shortcuts for efficient CLI editing. Next, you have the wildcard expansion feature, which allows you to search specific patterns and file names using wildcard characters, which are usually asterisk, question mark, curly braces, and so on. Next, we have the command substitution feature, which is a very useful one. This feature allows you to transfer the output of one command as an argument to the next command. To do this, we enclose the command written inside a $sign and parenthesis, or we use backticks. In the next section, I will talk about variable and parameter expansion. Variable expansion is simply the use of variables inside commands or scripts. And parameter expansion is the manipulation or transformation of variables by using prefixes, suffixes, or using string replacements. Another important feature is job control. This allows users to manage and control multiple processes running in a shell. There is also scope for input and output redirection, which allows users to redirect standard input, output, and errors from or to files or other processes. Last but not the least, Bash has extensive scripting capabilities for task automation, system administration, software installation, and so on. It is also important for you to know the practical uses of Bash. As you already know, Bash is widely used in task automation to reduce human errors. It is also used in system administration, which the network admins do. Bash is also applicable in software development field for software debugging and quality assurance. It is also used in network management to have better experiences with the internet. The applications of Bash is also extended to task scheduling, log analysis and parsing, and most importantly, in research. So that was all for today. I have covered all the features, additional features, and applications briefly. And this will be continued in detail in the next videos. Thanks for watching.